We'll see you next week. Hey, check this. Little classic. D1. Got a Honda Civic they sold. This car, 275 you're in, all down. So, 275. Give her a round of applause. Whoa, whoa. Round of applause for the weather.
Feel weird when you turn in this joint?
Nope.
Nah? Seem pretty legit.
Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go 3-2 now, I'm gonna go, what do you got, Dana? 3-3. 02 Honda Launcher. Only got 160. How many people came out for a little grocery getter? A little squirrel chaser. Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about? A bit 200 now, I'm gonna go 3. A bit 200 now, I'm gonna go 3. A bit 2 and a quarter now, I'm gonna go take it out, driver. I got
a quarter.
Gotta be 250. 250 now to go. I got a quarter. Gotta be 250. 250, got it. 250 now, I'm gonna go 275. 250 now, I'm gonna go 275. Last call. 250 now, I'm gonna go 275. So 250. 175 now, I'm gonna go 2. Anybody want the project? Selling the car. 175 now, I'm gonna go 2. So 175, 80.99, take it out. I didn't see the limo drop you off. I guess the limo went up the street. Put it out. Big 4 and a quarter. Big 4. That's how it works. 4 and a quarter. I'm selling it here. You gotta be 425. Ask her, Jay. Big 450 over the boat. Last call. So 450. Hey, listen up. We're giving away. Hey, perfect present for Christmas for your wife. With a good food. Last call, selling it. Last call. Check 275, 80.99. Take it out. Let's go. Bring it up. Put it on the money. Yes. Yellow shirt, pepperoni. Hey,
Ooh, it's like chilly up in this motherfucker. Wow.
Put it on the money now. With a little transportation car. Dana, did you see this car? Perfect school chaser, grocery getter. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about, Dana? Hey, what are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go, let's go. Big 300 now, I'm gonna go 4 now, I'm gonna go 350 now, I'm gonna go 4. Big 350 now, I'm gonna go 4 now, I'm gonna go 350 now, I'm gonna go 4. Big 350 now, I'm gonna go 4 now, I'm gonna go 354, 375. Big 350, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter, you're in the 3 and a 50. 350 now, I'm gonna go 375. Big you're in the 350, James. 350 now, I'm gonna go 375. We're in the 350, 2%. She did it. 375 now, I'm gonna go 4. Big 4 now, I'm gonna go 4 and a quarter now, I'm gonna go 4 and a quarter now, I'm gonna go 4 and a quarter. Big 4 now, I'm gonna go 4 and a quarter now, I'm gonna go 450. I'm gonna go 6, last call, out of there. Sold 575, sold 575.
Me. Oh, me. Motherfucker smooth. Yeah, you lucked up on that one. That's funny, dog. That's funny, dog.
175 now, with a 2, last call, sold 175.
Anything on? Oh, you got gas lights, circuit engine.
In a nice way, James.
Seems pretty fair though.
Big put on the money now. What are you thinking about that? 350 now, gonna go 375. Big 350 now, gonna go 375. Last call. So 350. OG. OG live today. You might see him on his lip on the hook. Anybody want the project? I'm selling the pie. Last call. Chip to the quarter. 80.99. Let's go. Bring it up. Hey, star of the show. One of the stars of the show. Dana, do you mind? Could you tell me the particulars? Car, good 16 over to go 16.25. Last call, got it there. So $1,600, you got it. Take it out. 175. All in, all done. Anybody need the parts of the project? So $80.99, $150. So $80.99, $150. Let's go, bring it up. Put the money now. What are you thinking about here? 27. Gentlemen, start your engines. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? $313. Hey, Mountain's Edge, I like the hair.
And
When you're my age. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Let's go now. 26. Next auctions, October 26. Watch yourself. It is what it is. Gentlemen, start your engines. 275 over the pay. All in, all done. So 275. Sold. 625.
Bad trends.
Bad trends. Leave my ex-wife out of it. All in, all done. OG, yeah. Turn the quarter around with the belt. Set for the quarter. 80.99. Next car, OG. I'll get you the next one. Sorry. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? With the belt, OG. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? With the belt, let's go. 200 now with the quarter. Anybody with the project? Set $200. 80.99. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The pass for the winner. Nobody. 2 people. 3, maybe 4. All right. If you clap, I'll give you a better deal. Yes or no? 775 over the goal. Last call. So 775. You got it. 0501. Put it on the money next thing. James, stop drinking, by the way. You like that one? It's a good one, ain't it? You'll use that one. You got the right to use that line.
I was right. 0.01.
So 375. 5 all the wall. You take that to the 250 down to the 15, the quarter around to the 50, all in, all done. Anybody got the project? No key. You don't know what you got. I'm selling it. So, 2.25, 80.99. Let's go. Right over that. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? With the bill, let's go. Let's go. Get on the hook now. What are you thinking about now? With the bill, let's go. 322. We both title. 275 now. With the good 3 now. With the good 275 now. With the good 3. Anybody got the project? So 275, 80.99. We're not going to come on out and look at this. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? We'll use this paper. 08. 08. Sounds like. Is that? 21.5. Wait, you said no, he said yeah. 21.5. 21.75. 21.75. You're out there. 21.75. You're gonna do it? Do 21.75. Yes or no? 21.50. All in, all done. Last call. 21.50. Listen up, Cadillac.
Every time bringing you guys money, I only keep saying, not good.
Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? What about P21? Take it out, driver. Get 750 down to the 8 down to the 750 down to the 8. Take it out. Take it out. Good stop. Hey, I got my mom on the phone. Hold on, Mom. Hold on, Mom. I'll be right with you. 750 down to the 8. I'm giving away money at the end of the show. Star of the show. Make sure it's a park. You can come out. I want you to look at this car. I'll be back in 20 minutes when we're done. 16 now with got it. 16 and a quarter. 1650. 1650. Yeah, got it. Now I'm gonna go 1675. 1675. Got it. Now I'm gonna go 17. 17. 17. There you are. 17. Got it. 17 and a quarter. Quarter. 17 and a quarter. Now I'm gonna go 17 and a quarter. All in, all done. Selling the car. 17. Now I'm gonna go quarter. I'm gonna go 17. I'm gonna go quarter. All in, all done. So $1,700. So 7. That's a pretty car. Hey, Bill. Mucho bonito. Tony Shaw, we're giving away a cash raffle. You need the car. It's 175. So 150, 80, Let's go. Take it out, Kevin. Thank you. Put it on the money. Hey, D23. Put your flag. Put it on the money. You got it. Where's it? Got it. What's your number? 275-0501. You got it? Congratulations, Cole. Oh my God, this is Star of the Show. I didn't know this was being auctioned today.
I work here.
Hey, Dana, classic 91 Chevy S10. This was supposed to go to Barrett Jackson. It got dropped off here by mistake.
Air leak.
Go 50 now, we're going to go 50-50. All in, all done, all in, all done. Last call. So, $1,500. She was voted best general manager of a tow yard. Hey, anybody want it? Anybody want a project set? 4 and a quarter, 80-99. 327. 4 toys. Runner. Already got 150. Gotta be 175. Already 175 in the back. 175 now. I'm gonna go 2.
No engine lights, huh?
175 now. I'm gonna go 2. Got it. 4 and a quarter. 450. 450. Got it. 450 now. I'm gonna go 475. 450 now. I'm gonna go 475 now. I'm gonna go 475. All in, all done. So 450. So 450.
Got the third row in that joint.
You got a third 1, 3, 3,
Yeah, in
4.
the back.
1, 3, 3,
Yeah.
4.
Oh, I didn't see
In the
that
trunk.
shit.
It's a whole third row.
Thank you, bro.
That's a tight look. I don't think
me.
they make them like that no more.
Nah, they don't. See the seat in the back?
150. Anybody need the pouch of the project? Last call. Set for a quarter. 29. We have a few minutes.
Bad transmission.
D29 bad transmission. 250 now, we're gonna go 275. 250 now, we're gonna go 275 now, we're gonna go 250. He's at a 250, 75. All in, all done. Last call, got it there. So 250, so 250.
0749.
0749, 0749.
Hey, he must know something we don't know. I'm good.
That alternator.
Bad alternator. Get that tomorrow for the 231. What are you thinking about here? $200, he's in at $200, the way it sits. $200 with a bit, cheap bag. $200 with a bit, $225. All in, all down. $200 with a bit, quarter. So $200. What's your number, bro? Orange. What color's that shirt? That's pink.
I'd probably go that $100.
I'd go look like a sun.
Alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We actually won another raffle here today. So even that I didn't win a car, I did win some money, which is always a plus. You know, this is one of my favorite auctions. You guys seen that we went to another auction yesterday, but I just knew it wasn't going to be that many people here, so it's a better chance of me winning something here for a cheaper price. Bid it on a couple cars, just didn't want to pay a little bit more than what I bargained for, so it is what it is. We always got more days, so as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's only a button. Just click it. Click the like button. Click the share button. Click the subscribe button, man. And I'll catch you on the next one, man. So, yeah, be easy. Peace.